Welcome back, everyone. The overall question for this series of activities was, what is needed to make a light bulb light? The answer to that question is we need a closed loop of conductors that includes a battery and a bulb filament. And so we can use a wire to close our loop. We have a wires made up of conductors. We saw the inside, and the alligator clips are all metals that do allow the bulbs to light. And so we have a conducting path from alligator clip to alligator clip. We also saw that the terminals of the battery are conductors and that there is a conducting path through the battery as well. So we can include the battery. And we also have our light bulb. So what is the conducting path through the light bulb? Well, through our investigations, we found that the path goes from threaded section to support, up one support, across to across the filament to the other support, and then the other support led down to the tip. And so if I want that to be inside that loop, the two connection points I have to make are on the tip and the threaded section. And so to get us started, I'm just going to place the battery down and go ahead and connect one of my wires to the negative terminal of the battery. And then I'm going to touch the tip of the light bulb to the battery positive terminal. And so what this now has made is a conducting path that goes from the alligator clip all the way around to the other alligator clip, through the battery negative terminal, through the battery positive terminal, to the tip, up a support, across a filament, down the other support, into the threaded section, but we still have a gap. So we have to continue that loop. To close the loop, I have to connect this alligator clip to the threaded section. And when I do that, we can see that we have bulb lighting. Another way that I can force the loop to go through the filament is to connect the positive terminal to the threaded section, just like this. And then I can force the loop to go through the filament by connecting the alligator clip to the tip. Two more configurations that we can use basically have to do with putting the bulb on the other side of the battery. So if I connect to the positive end of the battery and now place the bulb on the negative terminal of the battery, and we can do those same two kind of connection points. So this is a complete loop, but there's a gap. To force the complete loop to go through the filament, I have to touch one end of our loop to the threaded section and the other end of our loop to the tip. And that could be done in that fashion, or I could flip them around and do them in this fashion. So those are our four configurations that we can use with a wire, a bulb, and a battery to make a bulb light. Thank you for watching.